It's the Play-Doh surprise egg. And it's My Little Pony. I absolutely love My Little Pony. Princess Twilight Sparkle is my favourite. Rainbow Dash looks lovely. Pinkie Pie is talking to Twilight Sparkle. Applejack has her hat on. I love the hat. We used this Play-Doh set to make this egg. I'm going to open it now. Wow! My Little Pony surprises! And My Little Pony purse. And My Little Pony necklace. Wow! It's a keyring. I love this. It's a Pinkie Pie hair clip. A Fluttershy keyring. A Fluttershy necklace. Now it's time to open the surprise. We got Seaswell. Her cutie mark is 2 little dolphins. I'm going to put all my things in my purse now. Thank you for watching our video. Bye!